Hey friends, let's learn how to play 5 easy solos on guitar. Now when I say easy, no solo is easy when you first start. So I tried to find solos that are as easy as it gets. So just take your time and build your speed up and let's jump in. Let me play the first one for you, No Rain by Blind Melons. So we're going to start on the 5th fret on the E string, play it 3 times and the 3rd time slide up to 7. And then 5B, and we do that 3 times. One more. Then go back to the E string, 5, 4, 5, B string, 7, 5, G string, 7, and then we have 7 again on the G, 5 on the B, 7 on the G, 5 on the B, and we do that 3 times. Let's do that slowly. And then to finish it off, we're going to play E string again, 5, 4, 5 2 times, and then come up to 9E, 10E, 9E, and then 10B, 9G. And that's the intro solo there. Let's do it one more time up to speed. Now let's try Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Now start on the 1st fret on the B string, then play the 4th fret, and then 1st fret E, jump to 1st fret on the G. Now 4th fret on the B, and then do a bend, play it again, and bend and release. So we bend it up, let it come back down, and then start on the B, 2, 1, again 2, 1, G string, 3, 1, 3, and then play the 3 again and bend. So bend and release again there. 1, open, and do that again, 1, open, and again 1, open, again 1, open, and 1, open, and 3 on D. Then we repeat that last part. 1, open, 1, open, 1, open, 1, open, and 3 on the D. So we play it slowly for you. One more time up to speed. And that Smells Like Teen Spirit. Now let's try the first part of the Detroit Rock City solo. It gets a little bit harder as it goes on, so we'll just do this first bit. Let me play it for you. So this time we're starting starting on the D string, play 5 and 8, jump to G, 7, 5. Start on the G, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, and D, 8. And then play D, 8 again, jump to G, 7, 8, 7, back to D, 8, 6, 5, 6, then G, 5, back to D, 8, 6, G, 5, D, 8, 6, 5. So we do that first part slowly. Then we repeat it all again so it stays the same. It's only this last little bit that's going to change. Play the 5 again on D, 7G and 5G. And that's the start solo there. So play that one more time. Now let's try If You Leave Me Now by Chicago. So this time we're starting on the E string, 2nd fret, A4 to D, 1, 2 times. Go back to the A string, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then stay on the A, 2, 4, slide up to 6, then 4 on the D, back to 6 on the A. And then stay on the A, 6, 4, 7 on the E, back to 4 on the A, and then play it again and slide up to 6, and then back to 4. So, and then play the 4 again on A, go back to E, 7, 6, 7. Now play 2 on the A, slide up to 4, and then 2 on the E. We have this little run to finish. A string, 6, 4, E, 7, back to A, 4, 6, 4, 6, come up to D, 3, 4, 6, play 6 again, slide up to 8, and then back to 4. Those last parts on the D. So slowly. Up to speed. And that's If You Leave Me Now. Now let's try We're Not Gonna Take It by Twisted Sister. So now we're starting on the 9 and we're going to slide up to it on the G string. And then 9 on the D, 9 on the G, 11 on the G, back to 9 on the D, to 11 on the G, and just come in with your bar there, so slowly. If you don't have a whammy bar, that's okay, you can just leave that out. Then B, 9, G, 11, B, 9, and then 10 on B, and we're just going to push our bar in and out. And then back to 9, 11 on the G, 9 on the B, back to G, 11, 9, 11, back to the B, 9, back to G, 9 3 times. Your bar, and then 12 on the B with your bar. So let me play that slowly for you. Then we stay on the G, slide back up to the 9 again and play it 2 times. 9D, back to G, 9, 11, back to 9 on the D and come in with your bar. Jump to 9 on the B, 9 on the G and 11, back to B, 9, 10, G, 9, then to the B again, 9, 9, G, 11, 9, 11, back to B, 9, and G, 9 3 times. And that's our solo. Let me play that last part slowly. Do that one more time up to speed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.